Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing. I received my kit in the mail for my Tori Belle lashes, and this is my join kit. And I just cut it open, and I wanted to share it with you. Hopefully, you will bear with me, and we will go through the kit contents together. So I'm going to put it here. Let's see if I can turn the camera around. Interesting. Okay, we're going to do it manually. Let's see if that works. And tilt it down. And this is our kit. Let me move that camera over. Okay, so of course we have our laptop sticker. So if you want to mark it while you're on the go, it says laptop sticker. Does that actually peel off? I don't think so. But welcome to the Founders Club. See, I'm in the Founders Club. I want you to join the Founders Club with me. And of course, we get an intro card itself from Laura Hunter, the creator. Now, what is in here? So these, let's see if I can get the camera to do it. Turn it right, Nikki. Lashes. All right, and I want to open these. So let's see what they look like. Oh, those are quite lovely, aren't they? And we have our anchors also with it. Nice, nice. And I love the magnetic case. Okay. Then, of course, we get our Shake It Off. Shake It Off, that's our remover. And open that. You see, you have to shake it up a little bit first to get it all mixed up. And there you go. All right, now what else do we have here? The famous magnetic eyeliner. And, if I can get that open. Excuse my nails. I know they're horrible. But I just got back from vacation. So we have the Magnitude eyeliner. Can't wait to use that. And then, in the kit, we also have the Works Brow and Liner Kit. And let's open this bad boy up. Okay, this is how it comes. And open that. How nice is that? Yeah, see, you get the stencils also just to kind of help you out. Comes with a very nice two-sided brush, double-sided brush. And then here is the actual, all right, see, that's the color I chose. And you'll see I'll do an application of it later. I'm cracking up laughing at myself. When I showed this initial card, which is awesome, it is not a sticker. But what this is, it says, "Welcome to the Founders Club. To thank you for becoming a founding member of the Tori Belle Cosmetics team, we are sending you 3 free gifts. So keep a lookout for those, and they will be arriving within the next couple of weeks." Well, the gifts are, you get these, this is a pen right here. That's a Founder's pen. This should be a non-magnetic tweezer. And then this is a picture of the sticker that you can get to put on the outside of your laptop so that when you're out and about, say you're sitting at Starbucks or McDonald's using that Wi-Fi, you put that on the outside of your laptop. And, or if you don't want to put it on your laptop, put it on something that is standing up so people can see it and somebody might ask you what it is. And that is some serious passive marketing, you know? Um, anyway, I wanted to say that this is an excellent opportunity to get started because you can join anybody that joins before August. You will be among the founders, and you will be able to, first of all, you'll get the kit for $99. After August, the cost of the kit will increase. I believe it's $129. I have to confirm that. I think it's $129, or maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure. But you can't buy all of these products separately, you know, for less than $100. I mean, the magnetic liner, you know, why would you, just buy the liner when you can pay $99 and you get the liner, the lashes, the remover, and above all things, the works, the brow kit. For me, right now I have on no makeup, okay, but it looks like I do because once upon a time I had my brows done. Microbladed is the term now. No, mine were not microbladed; they were tattooed. And this part, where the outline is there, but the color's fading. It looks almost grayish to me. So I actually have to go in and kind of fill this in myself. And that's what I'll be doing with the works, the brow and liner kit. I'll also do another video on applying these lovely lashes using Magnitude. Guess I should turn the label around so you can see it. There. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you laughed along with me. Anyway, look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye from the Introverted Beauty.